Actually, I thought of a question. Somebody that just wants to give up. Is there advice that you would give to that person that wants to give up? And have you both ever felt that way? I mean, in the couple of months already, have you felt this isn't working? It's not, we should try something else, or what? Yeah.
I would say for the person who wants to give up, um, find help. Um, Having community is huge. Having people who are already in the business, people who are learning just with like you're learning, having a mentor, all of that is very necessary for those times when you are feeling low and it feels like it's just not coming, because somebody can give you another idea you haven't thought of. Also to that person who just wants to give up, like you just can't. Like you just can't. And we always talk about how we define success for ourselves. So had we even not gotten a deal, I'm sure we would have been a little down about it. But even in that process of, okay, this is going to happen. Oh, no, it's not going to happen. Oh, it's happening. Oh, no, it's not happening. We were able to still find the things where we were winning, even if it wasn't that deal was made. We found that David is awesome going out, making relationships. That's winning. These are skills you can use beyond mobile home investing. These are skills you can just use in life. So you have to find the good. You have to find a support group. And have we felt like giving up? We've been discouraged, but not feeling like giving up. And it's okay to feel that way. Get it all out, and then you get new ideas. Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. I agree. I don't know if you can see. I got goosebumps. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. I mean, you are going to feel that way. Anyway. Thank you so much for all that. I'm always here if you need me. Thank you so much for being here and joining us. Everyone watching, thank you so much. And thank you both again. And congratulations with everything.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.